Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I got a nice package from Southampton Lock Picking Club. I will open that in a minute, because I got something else I want to show you first. It's a huge package and it's heavy. I got another shirt, and there's a sticker also in. Let's put this aside. My new shirt is the Rattle Club shirt. I'm officially in. If you like one of the shirt, check out check out the link in the description. Also got me a nice sticker, and I will put this sticker on my sticker wall if I can get it off. Of course I cannot. I put it later on my board. I will put it here right now. So it's my new shirt. Amazing. Alright, let's put it over. Let's get to Southampton Lock Picking Club. I sent him a little package. This is one of my coins. So it was the first coin who went out to the community, and well, they sent me something back. I didn't expect that, so I'm very anxious to see what's in here. Also, if you like to support, I will open it like this strange way right now because here's still the sticker on, and I don't want you to see our addresses. So if you like to support the Southampton Lock Picking Club, they are also nominated, like me, in the Locky Awards. I will have a link in the description, and I would appreciate if you could go out and vote for them, because they're amazing supporters for channels, and yeah. So it's very well wrapped. I believe there is a mug in here from Southampton. Try to be careful. It's very well wrapped. Very well. My knife is like very bad. It's very not sharp. So let's get something sharp. There works much better. I think they used a trash bag or something, but it worked very well. I have to remember that. Trash bag and stuff. It worked. Protected it very well, and it worked very well, I believe. So I guess this is a mug. There's stuff in the mug. Alright, so oh my god, so many locks. I didn't ask for so many locks. I believe that's locks. Oh, nice. Got a keychain. Very beautiful. Thank you so much. Southampton Lock Picking Club. Perfect. And also a sticker for my sticker wall. Woohoo! Nice. This will go on my sticker wall. And there's a beautiful logo. Both sides. Very nice. Thank you so much. So what did you put in here? So if you haven't seen them, haven't checked them out, go on their channel. There you can find also the video, the unpacking from the package I sent them. And if you want one of these coins I sent over there, then check out my other videos and you will find the giveaway. What is that? What's the challenge lock? Harry Bow number 60. I had Harry Grief. I had Harry Bow number 50, I believe. Very cool. Thank you so much. I like Harry Bow's challenge locks. It's pretty cool. So that's my second Harry Bow lock. I believe the 50 are already sent away. Yeah, I did send it away. I think it's in Germany now. So how many challenge locks did Harry Bow create? I mean, this is number 60, I had number 50. Ooh. ET1, I believe that's on my website. If not, Steve Deere. Alright, very cool. Another challenge lock. Then I believe the other two are also challenge locks. That's a cool idea. Thank you for the challenge locks. I need to find time to get into them. Another Harry Bow. Very cool. Oh, look at this mean bidding. Shit. It works so smoothly. It's very nice. The bidding is mean. Well, we will see. And always remember, never send a lock with a key inside the lock. It only can break. Some people already made this experience and yeah, it's not good. But Southampton did it beautifully here. Very good wrapped and Baskin. Leighton. I know the name, Carol Baskin. I don't know the name of the lock, but oh, look at this keyway. Pretty cool. That's quite some work for me. And looks like a self-cut. Very nice, thank you so much. Love challenge locks. I got a bunch of them here to do. Now I even got more to do, but that's fine. I will get to it. But I think I wanna get into Harry Bows first. So let's see what we got here. So this is out of the collection of one of the members. You have to watch the video to understand. He even don't know what it's in here. So it will be a surprise for him too. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh yeah, you showed that on your video. You didn't think you would send one to me. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Wow, this is very nice. Thank you. Look at the bidding. It's a beautiful lock. Thank you so much. I love lotto locks. Wow, very cool. Lockout, take out. He sent me, what is it? 1100. Interesting bidding. You can never have enough 1100s. Thank you. This would be Dusty's favorite, if you ask him, because he loves just the 11. Oh my god, is that heavy. Oh, more challenge blocks, I believe. So let me get Guys, this is way too much. I just sent you a coin and some chocolate and then 1 or 2 logs. So it's a 48 Ti. Need a little love, I believe. I believe I have one. Somewhere on my log wall I do have one of these. But I don't know if it's this size. I think I got the bigger size. Doesn't... No, I got a 30. Oh yeah. Oh great, yeah, that's the one I broke. So now I got the bigger one that still works. Actually, I broke this one for the Mad Aussie challenge when we did key impressioning. But it works very smoothly. Thank you. And I guess this is another challenge lock. So we just dumped all the challenge locks on me and I have work now, huh? Pillar. Oh, Lockpicking coal miner. I got my favorite pick is from him. Lockpicking coal miner made this one. So now I got the pillar from you. Number 3. So let's... Ooh, this is smooth. Oh my god. Thank you. Pillar 4. And it's not that old. It's from June last year. So you see I got a bunch of locks to do. And I got another bunch over there. I need to dedicate... Oh, Sergeant. Nice. And also Lockpicking coal miner number 1. Very cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pinner. And it's as smooth as the other one. Oh, very, very cool. Alright, so this is the big reveal. There's something special in it from the personal collection. Okay. Let me put this over here a little more. I love all the challenge locks. I really need to get into it. Okay, so now I'm very, very nervous. What's in here? Come on. Oh, got side flaps too here. Oh my god. Wow. I shouldn't have, guys. Wow. It will be a while till I can pick this one, because this detainer is not my... I do have this detainer picks, but... Oh my god. That's just a beautiful log. Oh my god. I got something else to compare. I got the other Alloy 270 smaller. Look at this. I also got a big German log, which is way smaller. This one will go out to... This is all it's already a big log, but this is just... Oh my god, it's huge. 362 hardened. I do have picks for it, but I don't know when I can get into this. But thank you so much. You shouldn't have done that. I really, really appreciate it. I need to send you more challenge coins if I always get one of these packages back. This is amazing. Please don't do that again to me. That's... Wow. Thank you. Very, really, really thank you. Oh my god, look at this. Wow, I'm speechless. I'm really, really speechless. I want to... I don't know. Let me see. I want to pick something really quick, or try at least. Maybe a challenge lock, something. ET1. Maybe Harry Bowlock. What is that? No, that's from the American. Or lockpicking coal miner, but not with 6 pins today. Is that another? That's a mean keyway. Just speechless about this lock. Actually, I can't get over here. Gatekeeper. Oh, this is an amazing package. Oh my god, this is a big lock. Oh, come on, let's give it. I don't know if I can pick it right now, if I'm able to open it, but I give it a try. So we got Haribo number 6, Grief. And I don't expect to get it in the first turn here, but we will try it. Just a quick try, alright, just to see how it feels. I believe the first one is a 0 lift. We got a... Let's see what we can do. This works perfectly. Let me see if I can give you a better view on this baby. Still speechless about that lock. Some kind of fault set. This is acting weird. Really acting weird, this lock, but hey. I don't feel something. That's a strange lock. Alright, so just a quick feel. Let's try the Brady really quick. Just give it a quick try. Strange. I want to try a different tensioning method. It really feels like a serrated pin. Alright, so I give it a try. I will try it later again. It's a very nice lock. Yeah, see, you sent me so many good locks. Oh my god, what I'm gonna do with all the locks. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Just thank you. I really appreciate all the locks you sent me. And you shouldn't have sent me this one. This is way too much. But I really appreciate it. This is unbelievable. I mean, if you compare the 1100. Thank you so much. I won't steal any more of your time. Really appreciate this nice package. Check out Southampton Lock Picking Club. Oops. On YouTube. Alright. Check them out. Go to the Locky Awards. Vote for them. And while you're at it, you can vote for me too, but mainly vote for them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for this amazing package. It was a blast to open this one. And see you next time. Bye bye.